Hello everybody. Welcome to our channel, Blue Lollipop English for Kids. In this video we will learn about wild animals in English. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give your thumb up if you enjoy our videos. Let's go. This is a lion. Lion. This is a giraffe. Giraffe. This is a chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. This is a hyena. Hyena. This is a zebra. Zebra. This is a tiger. Tiger. This is a crocodile. Crocodile. This is an elephant. Elephant. This is a jaguar. Jaguar. This is a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. This is a bear. Bear. This is a snake. Snake. This is a gorilla. Gorilla. This is a boar. Boar. This is a cheetah. Cheetah. This is a rhino. Rhino. This is a fox. Fox. Our video ends here. We hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye.